triangle kimbap. For the ingredients, we need
cooked rice,
fried ham, tuna with mayo, scrambled eggs, molding
seaweed seed.
like this. Okay, and now let's make the rice. What should we add? What is it? Sesame
oil.
Okay, spread. Okay, and
Salt.
And what is it? Sesame
Seeds.
Okay. And please mix it. Mix. Fill the molding with the rice. Fill. 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 Do you want?
Yes.
Okay. You can do it. Fill. And you can choose whatever you want. What do you want, Rebecca?
I want egg and ham.
All right, so please add. And add more rice. Add more rice. Put the molding upside down on the seaweed sheet and press it.
Press.
Press. Okay, I think it's done. All right, and fold in half. And wrap around the corner. Good. And fold each side down. Fold. Fold. And seal it with a sticker. Great. And now I'm gonna let you know how to open. Okay. It says 1, 2, 3, right? Okay, can you show us? Okay. Pull one all the way down. Okay. Good. And pull number 2. Pull like this. Good. And pull the other side. Pull. Good. Right. Try it, Rebecca.
It's yummy. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.